Hi all, in our last tutorial we worked on Mac OS target. Now in this we are using the existing city detail screen which is we created for the iOS application. So let's add a separate city detail screen for Mac OS target. So let's add new. We will add new SwiftUI view, and this is again a city detail as we did in watchOS and iOS targets. So we have to add city detail. So now we have two city detail because we already added it in the target over here. So I'm removing this old city detail from the target over here. Now we have a separate city detail for Mac OS target. So now what we need to do is so first of all we need to copy this environment and these values from above city detail and have to add here, right? Similarly we have to update the model data in the preview, right? And then we have the then we have to update the body. So for body I have already written a code for Mac OS, so I'm just copy pasting it and I will explain this code. So now we have body. So in body I have added this code. So again, as in watchOS, I have added this code in ScrollView, right? Updated the map coordinates, and image is also resizable with size width 150, and we have, because we have space now, so I have moved this name and category and this values over here beside the image with the horizontal stack, right? Also what I did is, if we update this offset, so see this image is updating at runtime. So if we made whatever changes we are making, it is updating at runtime. Now if we run it on our Mac OS on Mac OS, it would display over here too. So let's open this and let's see. So I will add this code in the description too, so it would help too. So now if we select, so see, this is in the scroll view and it is as per the Mac OS target. Thanks. Please share and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos on SwiftUI and skilled learning.